instrument is in process. Do not disconnect dongle. Reading the vehicle information finished. Start all system diagnostic. Initializing. Airbag test completed. Gateway test completed. DME, digital engine electronics test completed. High voltage battery not equipped. High voltage power electronics not equipped. Instrument cluster test completed. Steering wheel electronic test completed. Additional compass instrument not equipped. Additional instrument watch not equipped. PCM, CDR, communication management, CD radio test completed. AC compressor not equipped. Reversing camera test completed. Park assist test completed. Parking brake test completed. Level control test completed. PDCC, PORSCHE, off-road anti-roll bar not equipped. PSM, Porsche stability management test completed. Front end electronics test completed. Rear end electronics test completed. Right headlight test completed. Driver side seat memory not equipped. Passenger side seat memory not equipped. Driver's door test completed. Passenger's door test completed. Rear left door test completed. Rear right door test completed. Adaptive cruise control ACC not equipped. Rear lid test completed. Auxiliary heating not equipped. Uploading the report, please wait.